Do another one. Hold on, let me see it. Okay. Chip.
If you think this is magical, come to Walgreens, where our Christmas Day gift to you is half off a great selection of holiday items. Get your pick of 50% off Christmas lights, candy, decorations, and more a day earlier than previously advertised. Now's the time to enjoy the spirit of savings.